just broke his stick. The 18 of Dennis Harrison is out. Jesse Sandoval trying to get around with a flat tire. Wayne Wallace with a big hit. Rob Young in on it as well. '65. Chris Layton is out as well. 69 of DJ Hacking is done as well. We're down to the final four. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. The car is still moving. We'll transfer to our main event. Shut him down, shut him down. Hey, shut him down. The ones moving on to tonight's main event, the number 17, Brandon Austin. The number 7, Wayne Wallace. The number 70, Rob Young. 75, George Sandoval. The 57, Jesse Sandoval.
Hey, I totally forgot. This is my first
These
time.
top 5 cars will be impounded until the main event.
Dude, I'm pissed at this fucker back here, though. Die. It'll start.
Number 21, Ryan Russell, was the one that got the pin in the middle of the track. Again, this great event sponsored by Basic American Foods, family owned and operated since 1933.
Dude, that fucker hit me hard.
Basic American Food is recognized as a leader in self-stable foods, self-stable potato and bean products. Also automatic car credit. Check them out at 2085 North Woodruff Avenue in Idaho Falls. Call them at 522-9911 or go to autocarcredit.com and drive away today.
Hey, they told us to stay in the cars with the tow truck, is that right? Yeah. Okay. And then, yeah, never mind. I was pissed at the guy behind me. He hit me fucking hard after my stick was broken for a long time. Yeah, the guy right behind me, the 70.
Some more of our great banner sponsors tonight: Powell's Body Shop and Towing, Alliance Title and Escrow, Roland for a Cause, Bingham County Law Enforcement Association, also the Wake Up Call, Brady's. We also have Pratt Lumber Incorporated, Plumber and Pipe Fitters Local number 648, Dan's Honey, the Bank of Commerce, and Chris's Paint and Glass.
hooked up? Are we on each other's bumpers?
No, we're separated. What did you do the last time he separated us?
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
I think I can run.
Dude, he was just being dumb, dude. He was hitting everything.